Happy Lunar New Year, everyone! Growing up in Korea, Lunar New Year was always special. My fondest memory is the smell of Jeon filling the entire house, and the beef Jeon was always a must-have on the table. But living in the US, it's hard to find the right cut of beef for this Jeon. So, guess what? Yes, I found a great solution. You know that shaved beef used for Philly cheesesteak? It's perfect for this recipe because it's thin, tender, and you can find it at almost any grocery store. Since the beef is shaved very thin, I just layer 2 pieces together and shape them into round circles. Now this step is important. I place the meat between paper towels and gently press down. Removing the blood like this takes away any strong meat smell and makes the taste much cleaner. Usually Korean people use salt and pepper, but here is my little tip. I use garlic salt. It seasons the meat evenly and adds a really nice savory flavor. Finally chop some green onions and slice some red hot pepper. It's optional. Next, whisk some eggs with a little salt and add some chopped green onions. I coat the beef lightly in flour. Dip it in the egg mixture. And then place it into a heated pan with some cooking oil. If you like a little spice, you can add a slice of red hot pepper on top right now. I cook these on medium heat for a few minutes on each side until they turn a nice golden brown. Since the meat is thin, you don't want to overcook it. I often pack these for my kids' lunchbox and it pairs perfectly with stir-fried onions. I just saute sliced onions in a little oil, then add some soy sauce and sugar. Fry them until they got soft and sweet. It balances the richness of the beef really well. It's a simple way to enjoy a traditional Korean dish with ingredients you can find right here. I hope you can give it a try someday. I've added 2 new Korean vegetable seeds to our Korean accent Etsy shop this year. That is 취나물 and 아욱. I'm already counting down the days until spring to plant them. Oh, I cannot wait to make fragrant 취나물 side dishes. So good. And savory 아욱 된장국, which is soybean paste soup. If you are interested in growing your own Korean vegetables too, please stop by our Etsy shop and check them out. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.